The church.
Yes,
So,
like this. Dirty, no service, abandoned completely now
now it's beautiful.
for you.
Are you ready?
Hello mga Kanoel Vlogs, mga katikiman. Hindi po tayo titigman yan ha. Bubusugin ko yung mga mata. Food for the eyes, food for the soul, food for the tummy. Pero hindi tayo sa tummy ngayon dahil ipapasyal ko kayo. Nandito pa rin po tayo sa Czech Republic, sa Prague City. At andito tayo sa pinakasikat at talaga namang pinupuntahan ng mga turista, ang Santo Niño Church. Ayan o, pagkalaki-laki. Santo Niño Church dito sa Prague City. Tara guys, pasukin natin, pakita ko sa inyo kaano kaganda ang Santo Niño Church dito sa Prague City, Czech Republic, Europe.
You heard about
Yes,
it?
yes, of course.
Famous.
Famous. Our cardinal in Philippines, and I think
I
he's
saw Rosales, only two. Cardinal Senior, 95. Rosales, I said, 15 years ago.
yes, yes.
And you from?
Italia,
E di dove?
Roma,
Napoli è meglio.
lo so.
The church.
Yes,
So-
like this. Dirty, no service, abandoned completely now
Now it's beautiful.
for you. First, I have to cut this old like me and plant the new, young like you.
Yes.
Look now, a little gift for you. No gift, task. I painted 2 millions for your church. All they know this. Who is this?
So you're saying, Father, this is not a gift; it's a task.
Task.
Task. I have to
For
give
your
this
church. No, for your church.
for my church.
No, this is church. You know this. Who is this?
Saint Therese?
Yes.
Yes, Saint
Everyone
Therese.
knows it. Take this. This is task. Wait. So we will go back with a task.
Yes.
Nice, no?
Yes.
They don't eat. They don't eat.
Why? Really?
No problem. So, bye-bye.
Okay, thank you, Father.
Bye.
Thank you. Binigyan tayo ni Father ng task. Sabi niya, hindi rin to ibebenta. Ito ay task. Saint Therese. Yan. Sa church daw natin to. Ang dami. Nakapanayo ng balahibo. Dito sa isa sa pinakasikat na Santo Niño Church dito sa buong mundo, dito sa Czech Republic, sa Prague City. At nakaharap natin mismo yung pari at binigyan tayo ng task, Saint Therese. At nakaharap natin mismo yung pari, si Father Anastasio. Binigyan tayo ng task. Sinasabi na, I give you, this is not a gift, but it's a task. Saint Therese.
Takový ten přechodový stav, kdy ještě vlastně tady mají hračky, víš, a takhle myslím, že máš něco se tady něco zvolat, pak se tomu třeba zase vracíš.
Ale tak to buď ráda, no. A třeba jí nebude koukat.
Že jo, já jsem nebyla nějak jako extra hrozná, že to se mnou mám.
Kita niyo naman guys, pinasok natin ang famous na Santo Niño Church dito sa Czech Republic, Prague City. Ang ganda, di ba? So, napansin ko lang dito sa Prague City, no? Ang dami nilang simbahan. Ang gaganda, parang castle, ang lalaki. Pero isa ito sa talagang sikat at talagang dinadayo. Kita mo iba't ibang turista pumapasok dito. Nakasabay natin dito nga sa Prague City, Czech Republic, ang famous na Santo Niño Church. So that's it for today. Maraming salamat po sa panonood sa aking YouTube channel, Noel Vlogs, dahil hindi lang po tayo food, dahil meron na rin po tayong travel. And isa ito sa tourist spot na pinapakita ko po sa inyo dito sa Europe nga. Maraming salamat po sa panonood again sa aking YouTube videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button all para updated po kayo every time meron tayong titikman or meron tayong pupuntahan, meron tayong travel vlog. Thank you so much. Ingat po tayong lahat sa sulok na mundo. God bless us all. So nandito sama natin si Mayor Chavit Singson.
So, binabati ko lahat nanunood kay Noel Vlog at sana maligaya ang buhay nyo. God bless and stay safe.